Unity is under attack in your marriage, whether you see it or not. Division doesn't need shouting. It doesn't need betrayal. It only needs neglect. Two people can share a bed and still live on opposite sides of the home. When unity weakens, leadership weakens. Trust erodes, and connection collapses. Brother, unity is not automatic. It is forged. And if you are not intentionally building it, you are silently losing it. Most marriages don't suddenly break. They drift. You stop checking in, you stop fighting for each other, and you stop moving in the same direction. You're both busy, both tired, both doing your best. And yet, something feels off. You can't quite name it. Does this sound like your marriage right now? In a moment, I'll show you what actually weakens unity and why most men never see it coming. Scripture never treats unity as optional.
Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. Psalm 133:1.
Unity is not agreement, it's alignment. It's choosing the same direction even when you don't share the same mood. Unity isn't avoiding conflict, it's facing life shoulder to shoulder. If you don't build unity on purpose, distance will build itself. Here's the truth. Unity is not a feeling you fall into. It's a direction you choose. And unity is built through 3 deliberate decisions. First, shared direction. A husband must ask, what are we building together? Not just a lifestyle, a covenant, a legacy, a home that honors God. If you don't name the direction, your marriage drifts by default. Second, shared language. Unity is protected by how you speak. You stop talking like opponents and start speaking like allies. You trade "you always" for "help me understand," because words either build bridges or create distance. And third, shared practice. Unity survives through repetition. Prayer together, meals together, and regular check-ins. Unity isn't built in big moments. It's built in small, repeated choices. Scripture puts it plainly.
2 are better than 1, for if they fall, one will lift up his companion. Ecclesiastes 4:9-10.
Unity doesn't mean you never fall. It means you don't fall alone. When unity grows, everything shifts. Conflict becomes collaboration, tension becomes teamwork, your home feels stable again. Your wife doesn't need perfect answers. She needs a man who keeps you alive. A divided home feels fragile. A united home feels unshakable. Tonight, ask your wife, where do you feel like we're not on the same team? And what would help us realign? Listen fully, no correcting, no explaining, receive it. Then take one action this week that proves you heard her. Next week, we forge the habit that protects unity every day: service. Unity is not automatic. It is intentionally forged. Communication builds connection. Connection builds unity. Unity builds a covenant that withstands the storms. So lead with alignment, speak like an ally, and practice unity daily. If this helped you, stand with this work by subscribing and sharing it with another husband who needs it. Forged in faith, bound by covenant. Let's get to work.